Welcome to Rome Tips. If you enjoy this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Remember, this video reflects my personal experience with the service. Today, we're taking a look at Premier Credit Solutions, found online at premiercreditsolutions.com. This website provides information on credit repair services, outlining how they can assist individuals in improving their credit scores. Navigating the site, you'll find details on their various programs, pricing structures, and client testimonials. Premier Credit Solutions emphasizes a personalized approach, suggesting that they tailor their strategies to each client's specific credit situation. They also highlight their expertise in disputing inaccuracies on credit reports, a key factor in boosting creditworthiness. The website offers resources such as FAQs and blog posts, educating visitors on the complexities of credit repair and the importance of maintaining a healthy credit profile. Potential clients can find contact information to schedule a free consultation, allowing them to discuss their individual needs and explore the potential benefits of partnering with Premier Credit Solutions. They appear to focus on transparency, aiming to provide clear explanations of their processes and the expected outcomes. Further exploration of the website reveals information on their team and their credentials, bolstering their credibility and expertise in the field of credit repair. Premier Credit Solutions also seems to emphasize the importance of ongoing credit education, equipping clients with the knowledge and tools they need to manage their credit effectively in the long term. They underline the potential impact of improved credit on various financial aspects of life, such as securing loans, obtaining lower interest rates, and even improving employment prospects. The site encourages visitors to take control of their financial future by addressing their credit challenges proactively. Finally, Premier Credit Solutions reiterates its commitment to client satisfaction and its dedication to helping individuals achieve their financial goals through credit improvement. They appear dedicated to providing support throughout the credit repair journey, fostering a strong client-advisor relationship built on trust and open communication.